Hi, my name's Tony. I'm 38 years old and I work in the hospitality industry. I'm looking to change the sort of around the mouth area, the lower facial levels, achieve after the weight loss that I went through. It's kind of taken its toll around the sort of lower part of my face, and kind of looking to undo as if I was never overweight in the first place and kind of get a more natural, refreshed look. I'm hoping to achieve a more natural look to my face, a more refreshed, natural look, to sort of remove the sort of ageing lines and the toll that the weight loss that I lost has taken its toll over my features of my face, kind of making me look more tired. Just overall, a more refreshed look, natural being the main thing. I chose Darren to do the work because primarily I've seen a lot of other specialists in their field that primarily focus on females. I was sceptical because I didn't want to kind of have that female kind of look to my face, but observing Darren's work and other gentlemen who've had it done with Darren have obtained the look that I'm looking to achieve, which would be a more, still maintaining a real masculine but natural look. From the word go, from the telephone call, he filled me with confidence that he could achieve that. So it was a dead set that I was going to go with this one. The experience having the treatment from start to finish, from walking into the clinic itself, was the staff and myself were very warm and very welcoming. Really put any insecurities you had at ease straight away. From going into the treatment itself, obviously you go in thinking there's going to be a pain element to that, and that was the opposite case. There was no discomfort whatsoever during the whole process, even afterwards. I feel the results have gave me a confidence that I could only have dreamed that I would have ever got back. Since I had a 13 stone weight loss, I thought that where you should be extremely happy with something like that in your life, where you can't help but sort of reflect on the outcome of that. So to think that I could remotely get my face back to how it should have been was, again, no words to describe how I feel. I wouldn't say people have noticed that I've physically had the treatment done itself, but I've certainly heard people say that I look a lot more refreshed, rested, whether they're just being polite, but definitely I feel that I've had family members who have it's been obvious that I've had things done because I never looked like that yesterday. So for people like that myself, but the comments that I've had, it's a really natural look is what I was really going for, and I feel that I've achieved that. I would definitely recommend the clinic purely because it's gave me the results that I wanted, which was a really natural look to my face. Everything from how they make you feel when you first go in for your initial consultation, to the end result and to the aftercare, more importantly as well, because you'll obviously have a few questions that you'll ask after it when you leave the clinic, and they're more than happy to help you, and nothing's ever a bother.